In the spring of 2022, after the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the city of Mariupol, located on the Sea of Azov, was completely destroyed by Russia. The city, which once had a population of nearly 500,000, turned to ruins. According to estimates, about 10% of the residential development has survived, and citizens of Russian, Buryat, Dagestan, and Chechen nationalities are moving in. In Russia's propaganda war, the city's reconstruction plays a key role. German TV station ARD conducted a journalistic investigation and reported that German companies Knauf and WKB Systems, GmbH, are also involved in the reconstruction. Bavaria-based Knauf is said to employ up to 4,000 workers in Russia and generate billions of dollars in sales in the local market. The company responded to the allegations by saying that it condemns hostilities and the Russian invasion, that it complies with sanctions imposed by the European Union, and that the products it produces in Russia are to go exclusively to the Russian market. The authors of the journalistic material also saw concrete blocks in green foil with the name of the German company WKB Systems from North Rhine-Westphalia. WKB Systems did not comment on supplying its products to Mariupol. Russia has been launching daily attacks on Ukrainian cities for more than 2 years. Those near the front lines are suffering the most. Last night, another 7 civilians were killed and 11 wounded in Kharkiv.